Hey guys, oh, focus, fix hair. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick cleanup of my drawers and pots and pans and random cabinet in my kitchen. I did a pantry organization about a month or two ago. I'll link that down below. And today I'm going to be doing a cleanup of all the everyday cabinets that I use in my kitchen. This video is in collaboration with Jenny Gonzales. She's a mom, she's currently pregnant. She's gonna be doing a video just like me, organizing her kitchen. So after you finish this video, head on over to hers. I'll put in a little link here for her video and her channel. Support our mamas on YouTube, and I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get to it. So here is the before of my pots and pans. It is honestly just a bunch of things shoved into the cabinets. So I am going to take everything out and clean the shelves, reorganize it. It may not look like a huge difference, but a basic good cleaning and sorting really helps with just making things more efficient. Going to start off with cleaning under the sink. This gets so messy, and I feel you should clean it as often as you can because just so many things are going in and out of it. I have the garbage can in there, some extra plastic bags, and then obviously all of our cleaning supplies. So I'm going to take everything out, give it a vacuum, give it a good wipe down, and organize my cleaning supplies by what I use most and putting the things I don't use very often towards the back. I got these little Arm & Hammer air fresheners or deodorizers, and they're actually meant for the diaper genie or any baby stuff, but I like to put them pretty much anywhere. So keeping one underneath the sink where I keep the garbage can is going to help not blast stinky garbage every time you open it up. Then I'm going to quickly wipe down the cabinets inside and out so it's nice and clean. Next, I'm going to tackle our pots and pans and kind of like a store everything cabinets. I have two on either side of the oven. So this side I put more of our containers, Pyrexes. Oh, you can see me playing with Jackson on the other side. So just kind of giving the cabinet a good wipe down inside and out and organizing again what I use more often. I keep that near the front, and then any containers or pots and pans I don't use, that's going to go towards the back.
side, this is where I keep my everyday pots and pans, my rice cooker, my slow cooker, all of that stuff. So again, same thing, gonna take everything out. It's such an awkward like opening. I have to turn everything sideways. So again, the top shelf is more for my frying pans, rice cooker, slow cooker. I think I put one big pot up there, and then on the bottom is all my other sizes that I don't necessarily use all the time. A pots and pan collection, I guess, passed down to me, so I do have quite a few, but I don't want to break the collection up, if you know what I mean. Also had some random extra stuff like a bottle of orange juice. I think I had some random bowls in there, so I'm going to take that out and make sure I put that somewhere more appropriate. Kitchen drawers get so messy so fast. I forgot to film the top drawer, but that's okay. That's just our forks, knives, and spoons. The second drawer is more of my cooking utensils. So every drawer, I took everything out, gave it a good wipe down or a vacuum if I needed it, and I kind of just went through what I used the most. So I have a wooden collection, a plastic collection, and then a stainless steel collection of cooking utensils. I didn't want to get rid of them because I honestly use them all. So again, I just organized it in a way that would be smart for us. And then on the other side, I had a basket of kind of like those random things, a peeler, tongs, measuring cups and spoons. So again, just organizing that, keeping it clean, and again, wiping everything down. Drawer has all of our Ziplocs, saran wraps, oven mitts, and kind of random stuff. So again, I took everything out. I found so many weird things. I had 2 speakers in there, some straws, baby safety things. So I took that out. I'm gonna put that somewhere else, gave it a good vacuum, and again, I just tried to keep it kitchen supplies only. So I believe I had my Ziplocs in here, saran wrap, tin foil, oven mitts, and a couple rags if I needed it as well. last drawer is kind of like a pantry for me. You may have seen this in my other Organize With Me video. So it just has our cereal, granola bars, and bread. So I'm just going to quickly give that a good organize because it honestly changes all the time. Then I'm going to give this again a good wipe down. Crumbs, sticky fingers, things like that get on there all the time. So giving it a good wipe down is super important, and you want to get rid of any germs. Here is another random cabinet. It has baby things, medicine box, a toolbox, a random bin. Is just a lot of random. So I don't want to go through it and get rid of things or reorganize it if I don't need to. I just want to make it more visually appealing. So the bottom shelf is again all my baby stuff. Give that a good wipe down. I got rid of quite a few things like extra nipples, pacifiers, things I know Jackson will not be touching, and I'm going to put that in storage. Then I have extra bibs, his plates, sippy cups, and things like that. So I'm going to keep that on the side. I kind of want to get more bins, so maybe I'll do that. Then I'm going to try to again organize it by what I use most. So the next shelf above that should be our medicine, essential oils, things like that. Then towards the top I have our toolbox, a couple tool supplies, and just random things that I don't want to get rid of, like an extra, I think I have an extra coffee mug there, extra measuring cups, and a little bag filled with gift bags and ribbons. So that is the finished look of this cabinet. A lot more organized, a lot more space, which is nice. It makes all the difference when you just clean it out and reorganize it. It's a lot better than looking at an explosion. And here are my drawers all finished up. You'll see my first drawer, which is all my utensils. Everything has a spot, which is awesome. My next drawer looks really beautiful as well. So a lot easier to manage. Didn't get rid of anything, but my pots and pans cabinets look way cleaner, and it looks like there's way more room, so that is awesome. Enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to see more, and don't forget to check out Jenny. She'll be doing an Organize My Kitchen video as well, so I will put a link at the bottom. And yeah, that's pretty much it, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.